Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Ellis Wolf. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be playing Hello Guest. I downloaded it, so let's play it. Load game, continue. New game! Oh, can I look around? Oh. What's this? Oh, it's asking me if I'm a boy or a girl. Obviously I'm a male. I mean... Got my boots on. This guy's still riding his bike. I've arrived somewhere. Oh! Scared me. Oh! Just kick it aside. Is this... Nope. Okay. Venturing on. What's this note I have? Tons of weird noises. Someone crashed right there. Jesus. Looks like a lot of people crashed. I just threw it. Whoops, get that back. Oh. Whoa, 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 what is that? Okay. Continuing on. Yeah, don't mind the bird person. Yeah, that's just Joey. What's that? Ah. Okay, I'm coming. Jesus. Whoops, pick that back up. Oh no, I keep throwing everything. Hold on, I'll get you, Hold on, let me just find this. Oh, I just lost my flashlight. Alright. Ah, where is it? This? Start shift. Check the top of... I didn't even get to read all that. Start shift. Check the top of the mountain. Why do I need to check the top of the mountain? What? I don't... What do I... Right? Let me get my flashlight back. I kind of threw it. What the... Whoa, why did I just do that with my hands did that? What? Is that that's a bird. And it looks like it fell. Whoa. Where'd my flashlight go? Oh wait, is this it? Is this my flashlight? Yeah. It is! Found ya! Yeah, that's right in my ear. What was that? Oh! Whoa. What is that? What's that sound? Hello? Yo, what's up?
Oi.
Ah. Whoa, hey, come back here. What's up? No, come here. Excuse me? Yay. Get over here. What are you doing? Uncle Frank, get back here. Get back here, Uncle Frank. What the? You! Get over here. What is that? Yeah. Yeah. That's annoying. Stop it. What is this sound? It's loud. That's my heart. Whoa, there's two of them now? Okay. Run. My controller was pulsing. I think that was my heartbeat. Okay. So I have to check the top of the mountain. Bap. Should I climb that? No. Looks like it needs a key. It's all this banging. Stop it!
Oi.
Stop it! Hey,
Oi.
drop it! Why is my controller doing that? Hello.
Oi. Oi.
What's up?
Oi.
Oh. So I guess I need to get these guys.
Oi.
Get out. Get out. You there. Whoa, what? Ah!
Oi.
Alright, where's the rest? There's like 30 Uncle Franks hitting the, You! Uncle Frank! Get away from here!
Oi.
Whoa, 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 what is that? This is unsettling. Stop that. That's my... Stop it. Whoa, 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 what is that? Stop
Oi.
it. What is this? Alright, just a bunch of knocking. Huh. I think I need to be low. Do you want to leave shift? No. What? What happened? What is this? Why is there so many kicking things? Stop kicking things!
Why?
Stop it! Stop it! You all stop it! Insurance penalty 0. Shift salary 600. Award for vandals. Oh, so I need to catch vandals or vandalism people. Insurance penalty 0. Property damage penalty 100. Absence at work 0. Okay. Restore next shift. I'm gonna go to next shift. Actually, I think. Check the top of the mountain. So shift. Okay. I need to get the vandals and get them from kicking the thing. Whoa, that looks beautiful. Whoa, what? That thing is so creepy. Yo, what's up, Birdman? Whoa! Wait, so I'm not allowed to get caught by him? Alright, I'll just go down this way then. Silly Birdman. God! Oh no, run! Run! Where is it? Bird guy almost killed me. Oh god! Dude. Ah! Oh my god. The bird guy's scaring me. Oh god! Oh god. Oh. Why does Birdman like hurting me so much? The bird guy's hurting me. Okay, I saw him right over there. Jesus, how do I avoid this guy? You won't find me! Okay, he's running. He's running. That's good. Oh god. Ah! Why is my heartbeat so loud? Ah! Oh, what happened? Huh? So I completed that shift. Total 380. Property damage penalty 220. I guess I'll do one more shift. Yeah, I'll do one more shift. My flashlight still doesn't work. Get out of here. I'm about to fight the bird guy. Hold up, wait, give me that flashlight. Let me see if I can throw it at him. Oh, where is he? You're not gonna find me. You won't find me. My god. Oh! How do I avoid this guy? Give me that. Come here. Alright, I'm gonna fight you with this. Come at me, Birdman. Where are you? There you are. Hey, you. Get out of here. Stupid bird person. Oh! That didn't work. Okay. Can I run? Ah! Stay away from me. I'll spray you. Stop that. Oh, I'm getting shivers down my spine. Stop that. Oh, God. Oh. This game. What is my job? Hey, you. Stop that. What is... Stop it. Get away. Hey. Get out of here. Hey. Stay away. Okay. Oh, I think I got it. When I hear him, just spray in all directions. Get out of here. Okay, Yo! That's what I'm talking about. Alright, everyone. That's pretty much it for today's video. If you want to see some more Secret Neighbor, this was very fun to play. Drop the video 20 likes, and I'll play this again. Dang, this was actually fun to play. Oh my god.